excited for week 2. No, it's week 3 now. I've been having a lot of fun working on my budget tracker. I can just walk through it real quickly, and then I can walk through my code and show you what's up. I guess I should have had it loaded before starting, but we'll just wait. It takes less than 30 seconds. So I've got it set up to where you can add new stuff into here. So I want to add a food budget. Got a $150 for the month. Sounds like a good plan. And currently spent $36. Cool. So we can go take a look, and there we go. Got my budget put in there. Let's add a couple more things in. Entertainment. You can judge me if I spell it wrong. Oh, what do I want to do? Entertainment. That's okay. I like it when it fails. As you can see, it doesn't save the data from the prior one. That's something I want to work on soon. But let's add this all back in again, because just for the sake of seeing things. Obviously, I want to spend $200, more than food for entertainment. And have to add gas in, because we really need to keep that in the budget. Same as the entertainment. Cool. So we take a look. Got all this jazz right in here. Looking great. See, we can say I went to the gas station, put another $50 into my tank. And right there, you got 150 instead of 100. It's looking stellar. Since we want to ignore the gas stuff for now, we'll just go in and delete it. No, not for, that doesn't exist. And then we just end and quit. Perfect, and it gives you the total current amount that you've spent and then your goal. So you can compare the two, and it's looking pretty good. Big part of this project was actually figuring out how the array list works, and I built an approximation of the array list. When I was building it, I was originally trying to start with a template class, but I was struggling to figure that out, so I used an object, because that's something you can do in Java, apparently. Pretty straightforward. You can push stuff on, you can read the data from in there, in the list, you can delete data, you can change the data, copy the data. Well, this is just used for other stuff. These two are basically just for in the class. Very simple budget class. You just have the name, the goal, and the current, as you saw in the thing down below. I don't think there's anything too pertinent in here. Display, adding money to it, you know, all good things. Oh, cool. I've got some debug data. I should have just left it in there whenever I was testing to show you stuff. Basically, just create a new array that stores all the information. You can just choose 1 through 5, and it just gives you these list of things. Learned a lot about particularly things like casting, because I've never done anything like this before. I've never seen like putting stuff into an object and then saying, hey, put this object now into my own class. So that was pretty interesting. I enjoyed learning about that. Got our add budget data. Oh yeah, this just gives you the totals for the goals and the current. And this, I really don't know if this is the best way. See, I put that there. I'm not sure if this is the best way. I can read it for you. But basically putting it into an object and casting it, I don't know. I just did it and it works. So things that I'm planning on adding a file system so it can store your data over time. That should be pretty simple. Another thing I want to do is have it calculate what day of the month it is, and then divide your budget into separate days to tell you if you're on track for your budgets or not. Trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to add. Oh, here, my README file. Oh yeah, I wanted to learn how to use the interfacing system sometime. Make it look a little bit nicer. That's just about it. I hope you like it, and you can check for the link to my GitHub in the comments below, or description below. That's what it is. I don't do YouTube much. Adios.